Get ready to experience the pinnacle of mobile luxury. The 2026 Prevost Luxury Motorhome is not just a vehicle. It's a rolling 5-star hotel packed with cutting-edge tech, jaw-dropping comfort, and stunning style. Let's explore every detail. The 2026 Prevost Luxury Motorhome takes the meaning of travel comfort to an entirely new level, offering a perfect combination of elegance, innovation, and unmatched performance. Built on Prevost's world-renowned chassis, this motorhome delivers a ride so smooth it feels like gliding on air. From the moment you step inside, the craftsmanship and attention to detail are impossible to ignore. Every corner is adorned with premium materials like hand-stitched leather seating, solid wood cabinetry, and polished stone countertops, giving it a truly residential feel on wheels. The spacious living area is designed for maximum comfort, with a plush sofa, reclining chairs, and a high-definition entertainment system that rivals any home theater. Large panoramic windows let in natural light, while providing breathtaking views of the road ahead. The fully equipped gourmet kitchen is a chef's dream, featuring top-of-the-line appliances, induction cooktops, a convection oven, and a full-sized refrigerator. Whether you're making a quick snack or preparing a gourmet meal, everything you need is right at your fingertips. The master bedroom is a luxurious retreat, complete with a king-size bed, premium mattress, and ambient lighting that sets the perfect mood for relaxation. The bathroom is just as impressive, boasting a full shower with glass enclosure, high-end fixtures, and heated floors for that extra touch of indulgence. Under the hood, the 2026 Prevost is powered by a high-performance engine that delivers both strength and efficiency, ensuring long journeys are as enjoyable as the destination itself. Advanced driver assist features, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and state-of-the-art navigation make driving a stress-free experience. Storage is plentiful both inside and in the exterior compartments, designed to carry everything you need without sacrificing living space. Climate control systems keep the interior comfortable no matter the weather outside, and smart home integration allows you to control lighting, temperature, and entertainment with just your voice or a touch on your phone. The 2026 Prevost Luxury Motorhome isn't just a way to travel, it's a statement of lifestyle. It's for those who want the freedom of the open road without compromising on luxury, technology, or comfort. This motorhome truly delivers an experience like no other, making every journey unforgettable. This is Honest Auto Reviews. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our latest luxury motorhome reviews.